In the middle of Brandenburg, just about 1 hour south of Berlin, stands something very special, the biggest freestanding hall in the world. Welcome to Tropical Islands Resort, Europe's largest indoor tropical paradise. Exciting fun for everyone, big and small. The huge water slide area offers action, speed and lots of laughter. Spiral slides, fast ones or relaxing tube rides. Everyone find a favorite here. A real rainforest in the heart of Germany. Over 50,000 plants, colorful flowers and tropical trees guide you through a green paradise. A treat of all your senses. It's a place full of life. Even the smallest creatures are beautiful. Butterflies fly through the air and make you feel like you're really in the tropics. A walk through the jungle can be full of surprises. Suddenly, a golden pheasant crosses your path, just like in Southeast Asia. Soft water sounds and pink flamingos in a shallow pond. Tropical Islands mixes fun and nature perfectly. A great place to relax, explore and enjoy. And there's even more, Amazonia. This large outdoor area has warm pools, sports fields and now a brand new wild water river. It's real outdoor adventure, all year long. After so much action, it's time to eat. Tropical Islands has many tasty choices, from exotic dishes to hearty meals and sweet tropical treats. The restaurants are a great place to rest and enjoy. And if one day isn't enough, you can even sleep in a tent. When the day is over, nature outside gives you a final gift, a rainbow across the sky, a perfect end to a warm, colorful and unforgettable day.